Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Today we're going to be jimmy rigging something on the back of my zero-turn lawnmower. I really like the way when you see people mow their lawn, they get those nice stripes in the grass. And all that is when the light reflects on the grass, it's the way they bend the grass so it reflects in different ways. So there's a bunch of different ways you can create a line stripe. You can use bristles from like a broom or a sweeper they have. Some guys have made these rollers that kind of roll behind the mower. So my idea was to get schedule PVC pipe, schedule 40. It's 3-inch. I've got a cap on the end, and then I bought these eyelet screws that we're going to screw in the back of the mower. And as you can see, I've got one already attached here in the pipe. And then I bought these links that we're going to use to attach this so I can remove this line stripper when I'm not using it. Then we're going to fill it with cement for the weight. We're going to try it out, see how it works out. So stay tuned. Let me show you what I've got done so far. So this is my John Deere zero turn that I have. It's got a 42-inch cut on it. So on the back, I have this bumper that comes around. You can see where I got this little trailer hitch I hooked onto it. So I took one of the bolts out that hold the frame on and drilled it out, put that eyelet in there, and you can see the link, and that's where this is going to attach, right behind the back wheels. So far I'm going to cut it to length, the pipe, from wheel to wheel, so it covers the whole distance. You can see here I've already took the bolt out on the back side of this one. We're getting ready to hook in the new bolts, so let's get that started. Alright, so we're going to put this eyelet in. As you can tell, there is a square hole in there for the head on the old bolt that was in there, so we're just going to drill that out because it needs to be just a little bit bigger. I just can't seem to get that in okay, so I got a drill bit here and we're going to just round that out. Okay, that should have took care of that pretty good, and that should just slide right in there. Perfect. All right, and we'll put the nut on the back side, and then we got to work on measuring the pipe to see how long we need to and get that cut. Okay, so you can see how this mounts on this side over here, and I've got about 8 inches from that bolt to the end of that tube. So now I have to go over here and mark a dot where I'm going to place that eyelet, and then measure out 8 inches, cut that off, and put the cap on. Okay, we got the other side mounted, and this is what it looks like. So all I've got left to do is to take that one cap off because they didn't glue it on yet, and fill it full of cement for the weight, and then we'll go cut the grass and see how it comes out. Alrighty, bear with me. Well, that was probably the messiest part of the whole deal, but we did get that tube filled of high-strength concrete mix. I don't know if I needed high-strength concrete mix. It was the cheapest bag I could get at Lowe's. So let me go hook it on and let's test it out. Alright, you can see the adjustment I made. All I did was turn that sideways rather than flat, the top one that was hooked to the tractor, and that made it lay a little bit flatter on the grass. And what's really cool is you can back up, spin, it doesn't get in the way of the tires, so it works really good, and you see the results after this. Alright, so I'm done mowing. I had to do a little bit of adjustment on the bolt to make it hit a little bit lower, but for the most part it came out pretty good. Nice stripes. I always set my lawnmower at 3 inches because that helps give you the healthier grass, so you're not scalping it. Not bad. A lot cheaper than it would be to buy a new one. I think I've got about maybe $40, $45 into it, and it was a fun project. Something to do than just buy something offline. If you like today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. I would appreciate the support. and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.